Hi everyone, here is a unbox of a SIM card. Why you say it's so interesting about the SIM card? It is a Simple Mobile SIM card. Reason why I want to unbox this because recently they have a deal on their website that until I don't know either ended August 31 of 2018 or September of 31 or 30th 2018 expired. But anyway, hey everybody, this is Daniel coming in with a unbox a video of SIM card. I today will be unbox a SIM card of Simple Mobile. Why are you asking I will be unboxing? Because here is why I'm switching my carrier. So I was at with AT&T prepaid paying about $40 with a single line of 5 gig, actually 6 gig, which is a significant lot. Then I thought, okay, this carrier is cheaper and I get 3 gig for $25. You can't beat it. Here's the catch to it. You had to sign in during the promotion period, which is, for me, it was today, which is August 20, August 19 of date. Yeah, I don't remember. I love my date just hoolisly. Anyway, if I sign up today, I will get the 3 gig data and, under T-Mobile. And I have been trying out T-Mobile coverage in my area. I have to say, I don't know why T-Mobile even advertised their network is the greatest and best and their service is so expensive. Here's why. If they tell consumer pay a lot of money and they're half the time doesn't even have a coverage, I don't know why I'm paying for $27 for a SIM card just so I can activate on their network. That's why a third party like Simple Mobile come along using T-Mobile network to try out. Well, also there's another network you might know is called MinSim, which is give you 7-day trial period, and you know if you don't like it, you can cancel at any time. As long as you have the plan that's like $15 for 3 months for $45 plan. If you have more than that, you won't get refund for it. Just like heads up. But that's how I be able to try out T-Mobile using a service that's run on T-Mobile. Your test might be it all depends on the area and how T-Mobile think it's worth their foot traffic of networking. This is on T-Mobile. I don't know there is any like speed cap or anything like that, but I can tell you that T-Mobile is running over at TracFone, which is, if I can find a teeny tiny logo, because they try to hide it so it doesn't seem like it. Basically all their service and all that stuff basically uses TracFone is their third-party provider, whatever you want to call it. Here it is. From all the package, this is the only way that you will know if it's from TracFone, because so basically TracFone like to have like a circle and a circle and a circle. So here is that, and also I like their little thing. Another thing is I want to tell you is because my parents have been using Simple Mobile for about 1 month and they're like all right. It's not as great as AT&T or Verizon, but we can afford it. So here we go, try out the T-Mobile. I wouldn't say T-Mobile is for rich people, but seems like it is. But I just think T-Mobile need to improve their network a little bit better than they are now. Yes, it's come a long way from 2015, the first time I'm looking at them, because when I was at West Virginia, they doesn't even have a coverage. They use AT&T reliably on AT&T as talk and text, no data whatsoever. So now they have extended their network to West Virginia and Kentucky, and those are the, and then what else? Yeah, they expand a lot. Those are the two areas that I know that they expand service out. So enough talking. I'm gonna open this up, and finally the seal is broken. All right, so here we are with flop like this, and there's the whatchamacallit, like they call it the 3-in-1 SIM card. So you have nano, mini, and full size SIM card. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. And there's like steps. Step 1, select your SIM card size. All right. And then you opened up. There's a SIM card supposedly right here, but it's not right there. I don't know where they've been. Okay, so that's interesting. You might wonder. And over here, it is another. It's basically talking about. You can get the app, and then you could get auto re-up. They call it re-up instead of refill, or auto deposit, whatever you call it. And then they are choice of your own data. Is that usage? Yes. So over here, you can see there's. I would say they definitely use their noggin to think about how they're designing this thing, which is there's step 2, step 3. I would have to say I never had to configure any APM setting with the TracFone or with a SimpleMobile, so that's another positive. And of that, Minsend does have it, but for me, I didn't have to configure it, but the data automatically works. I don't know why, but hey, I don't complain. And here's the step 4, activate your service right here. Of course, there's a giant piece of paper right here that just take the whole thing up, that nobody gonna read, and just to cover their butt. That's basically it. And let me see, and about to tear it up. And see, that's another reason they shouldn't do that, because how would anybody read it if you can't peel it without tearing it up? Let me see. Keep your own number transfer. I do have to say, compared to I did try it out Total Wireless. Compared to Total Wireless, their transfer number is way better than Total Wireless, but they're same company, basically operate under the same federal of TracFone. It's like TracFone is the boss, because TracFone related are Straight Talk, Total Wireless, SimpleMobile, and what else? There's a lot more. SafeLink, and yeah, list goes on and on. So anytime you see this icon right over here, you will know this operated by TracFones, especially like Family Mobile. Family Mobile are Walmart's plan. Got it? That's about it. Let me grab the SIM card. I'm gonna just show you the try not to show the serial number so I don't get my butt kicked. Alright. So this says T-Mobile compatible. So what that means is basically you have to have a phone either from T-Mobile, Metro PCS, what else? Unlocked, and from if you have phone that's unlocked from AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, you'll be able to use any network that's unlocked. You will absolutely be able to bring your own own SIM card into them. This reminds me of like TracFone, the own TracFone brand, CDMA key to unlock their phone so that they can. It's called access code actually. So, but there clearly says T-Mobile compatible. So you'll be all right. And so I do very disappointed that they do not have a a SIM card number that's bigger other than this, because these are very tiny. Nobody can read it. And on the like a normal phone, you will have a bunch number like this on the bottom of it, like right here. You will be able to read it without any problem. But you know, who can read very tiny thing on the bottom of this unless you stick it in and read it like that? But of course, it is bring your own phone. This is not did not came with the this whatchamacallit. I got it from another phone for this demonstration. Yes, basically that's about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.